Here today, and I'm accompanied by my Permanent Secretary, Director of PICA, and the Commissioner for Customs, to look at the operation of the recently introduced C5 electronic entry portal for Jamaica. It essentially means the smoothness and the seamless and move to the airport is much better. Once you enter your C5 electronically, before you get in the craft and get here, you can literally walk through, as long as you have nothing to declare, or you have nothing at risk or contraband on you. The idea is to make it easier for the Jamaicans who are coming home to get home. It's a service to our population. In addition to that, of course, it's a easier process for the visitors we're getting in the tourism sector, because tourism is now one of our major contributor to economic activity. In fact, maybe the biggest contributor to economic activity at this point in time in terms of economic growth and development. What we have done here is converted the traditional system to an electronic form, and it moves much faster, as you could have seen today. But as I said, we'll be going further with e-gates and the full introduction of what is called the Passenger Name Recognition System, which is an international database that allow you to screen the passengers more effectively when they get here. And that is particularly useful in security-wise.
What's the timeline?
Well, I'm saying the legislation will come before the end of this parliamentary year, and then the teams are moving effectively. In fact, once that's in place, it will be almost immediately, because having an electronic system in place, it will be just a matter of you'll be able to, once the law is in place, it's applicable. Because already we can monitor remotely the passengers coming in, both immigration and customs. That makes it smooth. So that's part of our target. We're moving that quickly in order to not only make the process come to the airport safe, seamless, and comfortable, but safe and secure for the country.
So all in all, you're satisfied with the observation today?
No, today is a good day. It has gone well, and we look forward to executing the rest of the program quickly and efficiently as well. It involves the various procurement legislation process, which we must do, but it's a Permanent Secretary is here with us, and the entire system of government has said we are putting an effort behind the process. But the border control is critical to the economy as well as security of the country. So we're going to make every effort to get all of this in a timely manner, effectively in place.